So today I'll be talking about retinoids in general. That is retinal, retinaldehyde, and tretinoin. I know some of us actually want to dive into the use of retinol, but you really do not know which one is good for you. This could be your very first time starting retinoids. That is retinoids for starters, retinoids for those that have acne, and retinoids for those that have dry skin. This video is really going to help you because I'm going to expatiate not just the type of retinol you're going to use. I'm also going to tell you how you're going to incorporate this into your skincare routine and how you should actually use this in such a way that you get benefits of this product because it is very good ingredient that you should incorporate into your routine. So retinoids I'll be talking about retinoids in different categories. So if you're interested in this, then please watch this video till the very end. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Patience Sehidiamen. I'm a registered nurse and a registered mental health nurse. And on this channel, I talk about everything beauty, faith, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be talking about retinoids. Retinoids is that skincare ingredient that has been in the skincare industry for quite some time now because it has lots of benefits. Lots of individuals are actually diving into using this retinol. But the problem here is not the ingredient itself, but so many persons do not really know how to incorporate this into their skincare routine. They don't even know which particular retinol to go for. Trust me, this video is for you because I'm really going to talk about this retinol in a way that you will understand, and by the end of this video you'll be able to go to the market and buy that particular retinoid that is good for your skin type. So the very first thing I would like to start with in this retinol is to tell you what actually retinol is. Retinoids is actually the family name. It's like, okay, let me explain to you as if we are talking about the family tree right now. The retinoid is the family name. Then in retinoids you have retinol, which is the very first should I say the very first ingredient when it comes to retinoids. That retinol is quite gentle as compared to other forms of retinoids rather. So after retinol, then it it's converted into retinal or retinaldehyde. Okay, so that is why you see ingredients where you see retinal, they'll tell you it works by far or it works faster than retinol. Yes, that is true because it is already converted into retinal. All right, so it's going to definitely work faster as compared to retinol in your system because one, should I say, is already a step ahead of retinol. Okay, so that's the second ingredient or the second type of retinoids. Then the very last one is the retinoic acid or the tretinoin. This one is the, should I say, the most active form of retinol. And you don't just jump into the use of tretinoin. You have to actually start from the basics, which is retinol, for your skin to actually build tolerance to the use of this ingredient, from retinol to retinal, then to retinoic acid, which is tretinoin. All right. So now that we've known what retinol is, the next thing you want to do is, what are the functions? What do this retinol really do? It has a lot of benefit. It has lots of benefits. First, it speeds up or it increases the skin cell turnover, which gives rooms for opportunity for new skin cells to come up. You know, when something new is coming up, you know it's going to be very smooth and beautiful. It's just like giving birth to a new baby. You know, the skin of that new baby, you see how plump, glowy, smooth that skin is. So use that mindset to think of when these new skin cells are coming up. Of course, it's going to be more youthful, glowing, and beautiful as compared to the other skin cells that are being shed off. So this retinol, what it does is help you speed up the rate at which those new skin cells are coming up. All right. So it also helps with wrinkles. It helps with premature aging. It helps with hyperpigmentation. You know, this retinol is that skincare. In fact, is a hero when it comes to skincare. All right. So this is what retinol actually does. So you see why you should incorporate this into your skincare routine, because its benefits are really, really amazing. And I'm sure you want to actually benefit from this as well. So now that we've really known what retinoids are, then let's actually talk about the different categories, or the different ways which this retinol can be used. The very first set of people I would like to talk about here are those starting retinol for the very first time. You mean you have never used retinol? This is your very first time starting retinol in your skincare routine, and you're within the range of 25 and above, or 30 and above. Trust me, this is going to be amazing, and it's going to take your skincare goals to is that good. So the very first ingredients, or the product I'll recommend for you if you're a retinol starter, for starters of retinol, is the one from CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. This retinol, it's so gentle. This particular one, it's so gentle because of the ingredient list. Remember, in this my page, or in this my channel, I've always talked about how you should always look at the ingredient list of any product you're getting, so you will know how effective it's going to be for you if it's targeted to what you really want. All right. So the ingredient list in this particular serum, it's amazing. First, it has retinol, which is our main target. Then other supporting ingredients, there's niacinamide. Of course, niacinamide is that skincare ingredient I told you before. It actually fits in every corner. It also will help with hyperpigmentation. It will help with brightening your skin. You see, it's also complementing this retinol. All right. Okay, not just that, it also has ceramides. You know, ceramic, they always add ceramides in almost all their products. It's one thing that is really, really good about this brand. They add this ceramide into it. So of course, this ceramide will help you to support your skin barrier, protect your skin, help you to, give you that nourishment that your skin needs. All right. So this is that product you should start with if you are if you're a starter in this skincare ingredient. It will not irritate you, it will not purge you. And again, if you're incorporating this into your skincare routine, I'll advise you to start slowly. Even with this particular product, I advise you to start slowly. At least you can start with using twice a week, then you can gradually build your way up to 3 times a week. All right. And it should also be in your PM routine. It should not be used in your AM routine, because it can definitely increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, so you can get sunburnt in the process if you're not using adequate sun protection. So I'll advise you to actually use this in your PM routine, all right, for starters. Now let's move ahead to, for those of you that have dry skin like me. I have a dry to combination skin. So if you have a dry skin, the retinol I'll definitely recommend for you is the one from Olay, the Olay Regenerist cream. It comes in this purple bottle. I'll put it up so you see it. It comes as a cream. It's very, very thick. It's moisturizing. Why do you want to do this? It's giving you the benefit of that retinol, and also protecting your skin, giving you that moisture that your skin needs. All right. It also has niacinamide in it. It has ceramide. It has this ingredient that will also give you benefit, just like a dual benefit. You're getting the benefit of retinol. Your skin is not drying out. Your skin is still moisturized and balanced at the same time. That's what this particular retinol cream will do for you if you have a dry skin. If you use this, trust me, when you wake up in the morning, you'll be waking up to a well nourished, clear, beautiful, and smooth skin texture. It is that amazing. The reviews on this particular Olay retinol cream, it is mind blowing. All right. So if you're on the dry skin type, I advise you to use this. It should be the last in your skincare routine, because of course it's a cream. So you want to use this as the last skincare your skincare ingredients in your nighttime routine. All right. Our body needs some tender love too. So there's some retinol that should be used on your body. And trust me, to also give you the same benefit, that is fighting hyperpigmentation, skin texture, dark spots, uneven skin tone. It will also help you with that. And depending on the one you're actually going for, it could be either a leave-on, which can come as a cream, or a wash off, which will actually come as a body wash. But I'll recommend both. Depending on how financially capable you are, you can get both. But if you can't, you can actually get one. But I recommend you get that of the cream. And that will be the only retinol body wash. The only retinol body wash is that body wash that should be in your skincare routine. After using this body wash, when you get out of the shower, the smoothness of your skin, the smoothness of your skin, you're going to love it. It is that amazing. The only retinol body wash, it has gotten a lot of reviews, has gotten a lot of hype. Trust me, it is what they hype, because I mean, it is amazing. It is amazing. Then when you pair this with the only retinol body lotion, it is moisturizing. It will give you that retinol benefit of fighting hyperpigmentation in your skin, fighting wrinkles, fighting dark spots, you know, help to reduce premature aging in your body as well. Trust me, you're going to love the result of this two combo. It is match made in heaven. So this is really, really amazing for your body. The other product I would like to also recommend for your body is the Vaseline Gluta Hya Boss or so. I'm going to put it here. It has several variants, but I'm going to put the particular one I'm talking about because that particular one has glutathione, it has retinol. You see those two combo. Glutathione is an antioxidant and it also has retinol. I mean, this particular lotion, it is super good. The only downside I can tell you about this lotion is not so moisturizing. So if you're using this, you may want to pair it with a good body oil, either the one from Vaseline or the one from Palmer's. All right. It is super, super amazing. It is super nice. You're going to love this particular product. So for retinol, actually, the retinol that also prescribed for those that have acne. You see why retinol is really important when it comes to treatment of acne. Those that have acne, you have increased oil production in your skin. And what does retinoids do? They help you to reduce that production of oil in your skin. And the reduction of that oil, they help you to clean those pores, and it will help you to maximize, reduce the production of these oils, and the breakout, of course, you see it will reduce to the barest minimum. This is the reason why this has to be incorporated in your routine if you really want to get rid of that acne and the acne marks. So most persons actually use the tretinoid because they feel it's more active. All right. Yes, it is really, really amazing because it's going to help combat that acne, keep those acne at bay, and also reduce that oil production and make your face really, really good and amazing. All right. So these are my some of the products I can recommend when it comes to retinol. And for retinal, if you want to progress to the use of retinal, not retinol. Now, I told you there's retinol, then it's converted into retinal, which is further converted into tretinoin, then used on our skin. If you think you've used retinol and it's a time to actually advance to a more higher percentage of retinol, which is a retinal, then the particular one I will recommend, and I swear by this product, is the one from Medicate, the retinal from Medicate. It actually have different variants. For me, I use the 6, there's a 3, then I think they have a scale where you answer some questions, then they'll tell you the particular one which will suit your skin needs and which will suit what you really want. This particular retinal, it is that girl. It is that girl because it is amazing. I'm so like Right now I can't really use this, and I feel so bad because breastfeeding and I can't use this particular ingredient in my skincare routine. But I can't wait to I can't wait to finish breastfeeding so I can incorporate this into my skincare routine because it did really, really well for my skin. It is that good. It is quite pricey. It is quite pricey, but if you want to splurge on a good retinol, which I think you should, after sunscreen, retinol should be that particular ingredient you should splurge on because you're gonna see the benefits when you start to age because it's going to really, really help you. All right, so that is my product when it comes to retinol. I really, really recommend that product. It is that amazing, but please do not jump on retinol. Start with retinol, then you can gradually build your way up to retinol, and finally tretinoin. Tretinoin before was on prescription, but now it is not. But please, I would advise you get an advice from your esthetician or your dermatologist before jumping on the use of tretinoin. All right, probably if you have a serious acne breakout and all of that, and you think you need tretinoin, please always seek the help of your physician before you use that particular product. All right, though it has lots of benefits, but please, let's just take caution. For me, that's what I do. I take caution, and I do not want you to have issues with your skin because we are putting a lot to make sure we have this healthy and glowing skin. So now that we've known the product to use, now that we've known what retinoids are, how do we use this in our PM routine? The very first thing you want to do is to wash your face, double cleanse your face if you have makeup on or your sunscreen. Then after that, you go in with your toner, your hydrating toner. Then after your hydrated toner, you go in with your essence. I always want to make sure my face is well hydrated. Well hydrated. For the starters, is your very first time using retinoid. After your essence, please go in with your moisturizer, a barrier cream, probably the one from Anua or the one from Dr. Atia. When you use that, after that moisturizer, you go in with your retinol. Then after your retinol, top up again with your moisturizer. I call that the sandwich method. It's going to reduce irritation on your face. For starters, you've never used retinol before, I advise you go in or you use it this way. But if you're a pro like me and you do not get irritated anymore, your skin is actually used to using this product, then you go in with your toner after washing, your essence. After that, you go in with your niacinamide. I always go in with niacinamide in almost all my skincare routine. After that, you go in with your retinol, then your moisturizer. That will be it for that night. Trust me, at the end of this, we are going to be glowing. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I really hope you enjoyed it because I did. I really enjoyed it because this is one of my favorite topic when it comes to skincare. I hope you enjoyed this video to the very end. All right, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel, give me a huge thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends if this was helpful to you. I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.